Some people say your keyboard should blend into your desk setup. This one doesn't even try. Hand-painted aluminum, sci-fi skeleton, freaky adjustable spider-looking feet. Hey everyone, welcome back to Scoop Bar. Today we're looking at the GravaStar Mercury V75 Pro. Ours is the special Neon Graffiti edition. This board is a Hall effect magnetic keyboard with a bit of a sci-fi flair. GravaStar sent this over for us to review, so this is a paid review, but as always we'll share our honest opinion. If you enjoy long form keyboard content, please like and subscribe, it really helps. And we also have affiliate links in the description. Using them is the best way to support us at no extra cost. Out the box, the V75 Pro just screams, "I'm right here!" The 75% layout sits inside a cast aluminum exoskeleton. The adjustable spider legs aren't just for show, they set your typing angle and have integrated lighting. You get a full pre-built kit, fully assembled keyboard with Gateron magnetic jade switches, Type A to Type C USB cable, 2-in-1 keycap, switch puller, cleaning brush, microfiber cloth, and extra switches, and a quick start guide. Spec-wise, it's impressive. 8,000 Hz polling, 1.25 millisecond latency, adjustable actuation from 0.1 to 3.5 millimeter, dynamic rapid trigger, and last keystroke prioritization. A 4-layer acoustic foam stack helps some with the vibration, and it's fully hot swappable with select TTC and Gateron magnetic switches. However, there's no wireless option and it's not designed for tearing apart. Hardware mods are limited to swapping keycaps and switches. Before diving deeper, let's listen to it in stock configuration back to back with a set of GeonRaw switches. GravaStar is a brand founded by industrial designer and StarCraft fan Yo Huang, who wanted to merge sci-fi aesthetics with everyday devices. They began with unique Bluetooth speakers, expanded into award-winning mice, and later released the Mercury K1 keyboard. The Mercury V75 series is their first Hall effect lineup, and the Pro Neon Graffiti edition is the flagship. GravaStar claims each board has hand-painted frame and a unique identity number, making it part collectible and part gaming gear. Their design philosophy is about standing out, and this board definitely does. The concept here is sci-fi meets esports. The skeleton case resembles an exosuit. Inside, frosted plastic diffuser wrap around 270 degrees for underglow. It's a top mount / tray mount hybrid with a forged carbon plate attached directly to the case. The board is wired only because 8 kHz polling rate demands a stable connection. A 3-way switch up top toggles volume / gaming / OS layout, and a second physical switch flips between gaming and office profiles, which is something I really appreciate for quick context changes. On paper, the Hall effect tech offers 0.005 millimeter precision and per key actuation settings, with dynamic rapid trigger that resets on upward travel. In practice, this translates to near instant key repeats for FPS combos, but since it's a pre-built tray mount, you can't really change the plate or foam, so the feel is predetermined. You either love or hate this thing. The hand-painted graffiti splashes on the aluminum frame are vibrant, and each board is unique. The skeleton design leaves gaps between keys, and the rough textured die sub keycaps, which are pudding style, which is PBD plus PC, glows thanks to the frosted sides. The stock profile is a bit closer to SA, so it's taller than your typical cherry profile. It gives good grip for gaming, but it might feel a little tall for typing. Those spider legs adjust tilt and are surprisingly sturdy. I really like the slope at the rear. It gives the board a planted feel, and the fit and finish are very clean. There are no obvious imperfections. However, this aesthetic is very loud. It's kind of for at home in a gaming setup, but might not blend into a minimalist office setting. Out of the box, the V75 Pro feels stiff and controlled, typical of a tray mount with a carbon fiber plate and aluminum case. The 4-layer foam reduces resonance, but the typing feel remains firm. The board is loud. There's a metallic twang that kind of fits the sci-fi theme. The die sub keycaps have a gritty texture that helps with grip during intense gaming sessions. Plate mounted stabilizers make factory tuning a lot easier, but ours did arrive with some stickiness and mushiness. We like to see better lubing factory work here. There's no option for a softer plate like polycarbonate or gasket mount, which would have balanced the sound a little bit in my opinion. But on the plus side, the Hall effect switches are hot swap. Our first sound test covered the stock board. Now we've swapped to the Owllab titanium HE switches and the TTC KOM POM switches. This keyboard knows its audience. If you're a gamer or streamer who wants top tier Hall effect performance with adjustable actuation, rapid trigger, and striking looks, the V75 Pro delivers and some. The software configurator is intuitive and on par with looting, letting you map and set actuation, customize RGB lighting with ease, a major highlight for Hall effect boards. And to be honest, if I was in the market for a Hall effect board, I would consider this one purely just for the software here. However, if you're an enthusiast who enjoys tinkering with gaskets, swapping out plates, or matching bespoke keycap sets, this isn't for you. This board is not meant to be opened, and the stock colorway makes keycap matching quite challenging. For office use or a single do-it-all keyboard, the bold aesthetics and stiffer typing feel might be off-putting for some. Our main recommendation to GravaStar is better factory tuning stabilizers. Aside from that, the Mercury V75 Pro is a high-performance plug-and-play Hall effect board that doubles as a piece of desk art. Let us know what you think of the graffiti look and those spider legs. Which sound test do you prefer? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, hit that like and subscribe if you enjoy this. Love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.